Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick introduction to the channel video for some Ryobi tools. We got some Ryobi batteries in this video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you guys' day is going well. So today we're just going to do a quick introduction to the channel. So I picked up these three kits for $99. These are two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger for each one of these kits. So I'm going to be bringing Ryobi tools to the channel. I got lots of tools right here. There's 9 tools in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that's going to be fun. These are all the bags that I took all the tools out of from Home Depot. But just some quick information. These are 4 amp hour batteries. They are all at 1 bar of charge. So they're all in storage mode. They look like decent chargers. They are, I think, the charging brick says 120 volts, 60 hertz, 60 watts. So, I believe that's under an amp. So these probably are slow trickle chargers. These batteries are not the plus HP, lithium plus HP. They're not the plus 18 volt. They're just regular lithium 18 volt batteries, and the way you can tell is the chargers actually show you what the different batteries look like. So as an example, these are the regular batteries. So the bottoms are black and the tops are gray. Bottoms are black, tops are gray. Charger just fell. So that would be this battery. The bottom is black, top is gray. Lithium 18 volt. So the lithium plus 18 volt, this the stem right here is green, according to this. The bottom half of the battery is gray or a silver look, and the top half is gray. And if it's a lithium plus 18 or HP 18 volt battery, then the bottom is silver, the top plate is black, and then the battery section, the stem, is black as well. So these are not fancy batteries. They should do plenty for what I'm using them for. I might get different batteries in the future. I don't know yet. But, you know, just a quick introduction to the channel. There isn't much to explain about these. You know, this is going to be a short introduction to the channel. Includes 4 amp hour lithium ion. Shows it twice on the box. Charger. 3-year limited warranty tools and batteries. Works with any ONYX tool. The longer videos are going to be the tools down here where we go into specs and everything. There isn't much specs on batteries. You know, they're 18 volt line of batteries. They have 1 bar of charge for storage charge. This kit is the PSK006 kit. These are the ones you can get for 99 bucks. You get a free tool. So for somebody like me that's just getting into this line, it's not a bad deal at all. Just wanted to give you guys some quick information. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, sticking around and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. One last thing, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, dislike, people that comment, people that use the affiliate links, as well as the people that watch the ads every once in a while on the channel. Channel is monetized, and I want to say thank you to all you guys, because you guys are the reason that the channel is making money. And and helps me bring tools like this to the channel. I'm not a fan of this color, so I told myself that I would never buy Ryobi, but there were certain tools that I really wanted by Ryobi. You know, the fans, I like their selection of fans, including the air cannon. I like that they have a soldering station that can run off the battery. I picked up 2 of the different rotary tools. I got one large fan and an orbital buffer, and 2 different glue guns. So we got the P305 and the P306. I'm hoping to get the P307 that just came out soon. The glue guns are for my wife. One of these 4-inch clamp fans is for my wife. One's going to stay in the toolbox, and one's going to stay over by where my laptop and everything is. And the bigger fan and the rotary tools and the buffer are things that I've used, but my wife can use them as well. So we got lots of things coming to the channel for Ryobi. I do want to say thank you to all of you guys. We're going to be doing head-to-heads on my channel upcoming, so we're going to buy wood with the money from the channel. I need to get 2 Jawhorse sheet masters for the channel, as well as personal use. We're going to be putting Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, Bosch, Earthquake XT, and many other tools head-to-head. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. If any of those things interest you, please smush the bell notification icon. I got lots and lots. I got a drawer full of Milwaukee. I got drawers here with Milwaukee. This one down here. We got lots and lots of batteries. Metabo, Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee. We got 12-volt batteries in this drawer. Get that there for now. We got some other DeWalt tools, Metabo and Makita in this drawer. So if any of that interests you guys, smush the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!